Hey, what up, guys? So, another update on the Fiesta. See down here, I'm missing a turbo. Would you look at that? It's partying a little too hard. And I got the turbo right here. When you look on this side, you can see that's not how it's supposed to be at all. Yeah, probably a little broken, but I should be getting the replacement turbo any day now, and I will be reinstalling it. It's the same exact size turbo, so there's no like extra tuning or anything. It's literally just bolt up and play. So got that going for us. So I will give you another video update as soon as I get my turbo.